Oh, I'm from Haiti and I live in California. I love to have party and go to the Santa Cruz Boulevard.
And I met Roobens in 2011, and he came to live here with me in California in 2016. He came the day before my birthday. And we hope you enjoyed learning some household vocabulary with us. In English, we say mirror.
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 Gade bouche mwen. Mirror.
Mirror.
In English, we say mirror.
In Creole, we say glass.
Glass. Nou pale glace.
Oui, nous parlons glass.
Glass.
Glass means this mirror.
In English, we say a glass of water.
A glass of water.
Mhm.
In Creole, we say verre d'eau.
Verre de l'eau.
And that's the verre d'eau.
Sparkle water.
Yes.
In English, we say cushion.
In Creole, we say cushion.
Oh, cushion.
Oh, cushion.
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 Cushion. Cushion.
Cushion.
And how do you say this one?
Cushion.
Cushion. In English, we say hat.
Hat. In Creole, we say chapeau. Chapeau.
Chapeau. Chapeau and hat.
Chapeau and hat. Chapeau.
Hat. In English, we say candle. And what is yours called in Creole?
Sandal.
Chandelle, and mine is called candle.
The mine called sandal.
In English, we call this a conch shell.
In Creole, we say Colombie.
Conlambi,
Colombie.
a conch shell. Boo.